So let's take an example. So we have a point that is on the unit circle, and the coordinates of that point are 12 over 13 and 5 over 13. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and find out the values of all 6 trigonometric functions for this particular terminal point. Okay? So our terminal point is 12 over 13 and 5 over 13. Okay? So x is 12 over 13 and y is 5 over 13. Now, what is sine of t going to be? So sine of t we know is y, which is going to be 5 over 13. All right. Cosine of t is going to be x, which is going to be 12 over 13. Tangent of t is going to be y over x, or like we saw in the previous video, it could be sine over cosine. And so that's going to be 5 over 13 divided by 12 over 13. Okay, and we can write that as 5 over 12. All right, then we have cosecant t, and we know that cosecant t is 1 over y, or in this case it's going to be 13 over 5. We know that secant t is 1 over x, which is going to be 1 over this number, which is 13 over 12. And then finally, cotangent of t, we can think of it as 1 over 10, or we could think of it as x over y, and that would come out to be 12 over 5. So these are the values of the 6 trigonometric functions for this terminal point 12, 13, and 5, 13.